So you might be having a little tiny issue with your iPhone display, where for some reason the touch screen on your phone isn't working. Now I made a ton of videos like this on my second channel, but essentially for you guys on my main one, if you are ever having this issue personally, it is such a very easy fix, and as long as it's not a hardware defect, you should be good to go. So the first thing I recommend thinking about is, did you recently drop your device? Did you throw it around in like on a pavement somewhere? Did you drop it recently? If any of those things happen, then you may be having some sort of problem with your digitizer or your display. So if your display was working perfectly fine and then it randomly stopped responding, then that's something totally different. But if your screen recently was damaged, you may have to send it into Apple to get it repaired. So that's number one. And the first thing I'd recommend doing is to force restart your phone. So what you want to do is you want to hold down the power button on the side and the volume up button at the same time. And you just want to wait until you get into this panel. Now, if you get into this panel, you want to see if you're able to slide to unlock. Maybe sometimes you'll be able to do it. If you aren't able to do it, or if you don't even get into this type of display, all you have to do is hold down on these buttons consistently, so the volume up button and the power button, until your phone hard restarts. So this will go ahead, all your data is still going to be on your phone, there's nothing going to be deleted at all. All what's going to basically happen is your phone is going to go ahead and restart. Now, sometimes if that doesn't end up happening, what you want to try is clicking the volume up button, clicking the volume down button, and then holding the power button. Sometimes you may be able to do it by holding down these buttons, but most of the time it looks like you want to click the volume up button, click the volume down button, and then hold the power button just like that on the side. And you just want to keep holding down that power button until your phone pretty much just forced restarts and just basically powers down just like it. Now you want to go ahead and let go when you see the Apple logo, and that's really it. I mean, that will probably end up fixing it for a majority of you if your phone is actually able to restart itself. Now, if your phone doesn't restart, then that may be another issue. You may have to let your iPhone just sit there and die out. So, we'll let it, kind of the battery die, and then you want to go from there. Now, if your phone is able to restart and you're able to get your touchscreen working randomly then, and your phone is responding, well, then this may be a software issue. So if your screen is now responding as soon as it boots back up like this, I would recommend going into your settings application as fast as possible, going into general right here, clicking on software update and software updating your device. If you're running a beta on your phone, if you're running anything even close to a beta, like beta of iOS 15.6 beta or anything like that, then I would recommend updating your phone to at least a solid software version. Tons of people every single year install a beta and it really messes up their device. Now, sometimes it may not be the touchscreen, it may just be the actual software, so that will probably end up fixing it for you. Now, like I said, if you're having this issue still, it may be a hardware issue, aka the display not working. So like I mentioned, I would recommend contacting Apple, having them take a look at it, but that's pretty much the easiest way to go ahead and fix this issue as far as I know. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.